food street may not be as crowded today, but the food street I'm standing at, the old Anarkali food street, was inspired by it, this and many other such food streets. But as for success, the Gawalmandi food street always had the lion's share.
The Anarkali Bazaar is one of the oldest surviving markets in South Asia. It has great historical significance, with it being linked to Emperor Jahangir, an age-old love story between Prince Salim and his courtesan Anarkali. There are many versions of the story though. Despite its fame, this food street pales in comparison to the Gawalmandi food street. Let's see what people have to say about it.
The ambience of the old food street is definitely far better from this place. Because when you enter into the food street, the Gawalmandi food street, you have a very strange feeling, as if you have entered into a very purpose-built, I would say now, very well lit, and of course carrying the old traditional look. But all these things lack here in this food street.
Both reveals the culture and tradition of our beloved Pakistan. If you close one of them, I would say, it's a bit of cruelty.
The casual sauntering attitude of the people in this food street was once at the Gawalmandi food street. But with more variety and quality of food, one can only imagine the captivating ambience which was once at the Gawalmandi food street.
If the Gawalmandi food street is in so much public demand, is there a solution of the problems?
सब ये जो इलाका है ये इसको दोनों तरफ से रास्ते हैं। शालमी वाले सीधे गुजर जाते हैं, मोची दरवाजे वाले भी उधर से सर्कल रोड से चले जाते हैं। ये जो पीछे गंदा इंजन है ये लाहौर रोड की तरफ से चला जाता है। ये गांधी स्क्वायर है, इनको पीछे से रास्ता है। ये इलाका है ये पीछे से ग्वाला मोहल्ले से निकल जाते हैं निस्बर रोड पे। कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था
क्योंकि ये साइड ओपन हो जाए, यहाँ पर एक गेट सामने लग जाए और यहाँ से ट्रैफिक जाए, बस यहाँ से ट्रैफिक जाए, वो इतना बस फूड स्ट्रीट का वो हिस्सा रहे।
So there are solutions present. There must be something more than meets the eye. Hence, we dug deep into the issue. This is what we found. Tourism Development Corporation of Punjab conceived the idea of the Gawalmandi food street and then collaborated with the Lahore Development Authority with the local support of Khwaja Shakil, who had a strong holding in the area. The Gawalmandi food street was inaugurated on the 28th of October 2000 in Musharraf's tenure. All was good, but Gawalmandi is a clan-based, largely PMLN-dominated area. Enter politics into the food street. Since 2002, Khwaja Shakil always had the support of the PMLQ government, but anti-PMLQ sentiments were always brewing inside the people of the Gawalmandi area. A representative of the opposing clan, whose name cannot be mentioned, but we will refer to him as Aslam from now onwards, lives a street away from Khwaja Shakil and has the backing of the PMLN government. He gathered the support of the local residents and launched a silent campaign against the Gawalmandi food street. Come 2009, the PMLN government is back in force in Punjab. Aslam has a strong backing in the area. Shakil is now on the back foot. June 2009, water pipes need to be laid and the people on the streets are informed that the street needs to be closed down for 4 days. Few days later, the gates are uprooted and the traffic is flowing. The decorative lights are off and the tables and chairs packed up. Whether the government used the laying pipes and the digging of the area to achieve a greater political purpose will officially remain unanswered. But the people of Lahore, the frequent visitors, the foreign visitors only, want the street to be a pedestrian-friendly, eating food comfortably friendly once again. Especially for Lahoris, who are food lovers to the core, never want anything, even politics, to come between them and their food.
Whatever the real issue may be, those suffering are the ones who lost their jobs, lost their revenues, families who lost out on a nice family outing where they could have their favorite food.
The people of Lahore who have lost a cultural landmark and a feeling of sitting in a period of time whilst enjoying the various specialities and food that Lahore has to offer in a matter of a mere few steps.
Solutions are there.
All we need is the will to preserve what we have.